I welcome you all to the significance gathering for commemoration of contributions of a great Indian mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan. As you all know, India is the world's largest democratic country. Almost all of its states carries different languages, different cultural identities. That is why India known as a land of many cultural livings. But we people always believe unity through diversity, though we have variations in cultures and languages. So, unity and diversity is a significant attraction to the India. So, let us all be proud as Indians. Let me share a brief note on significance of mathematics in this great occasion. Mathematics is a methodical application of matter. It is so said because mathematics makes a man methodical or systematic. Mathematics makes our life orderly and prevents all our confusions. Certain qualities that are given by mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, abstract or spatial thinking, critical thinking, problem solving ability. Mathematics is the cradle of all creations, without which the world cannot move an inch. Be it a cook or farmer, a carpenter or mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor, an engineer or a scientist, a musician or a magician. Everyone needs mathematics in their day-to-day life. Even insects use mathematics in their regular life for existence. And also mathematics is same all over the world, wherever you go. So wherever you go, the quantity is a same, that is, the 2 is 2. The same quantity you tell it is. That's why mathematics, we call it mathematics as a universal language, the queen of all sciences and language of learning. Italian scientist Galileo is attributed with the quote, mathematics is the language in which God has written the universe. So this is the greatness of mathematics. Everyone can be made as or transformed as mathematician if one is given a proper guidance and having good knowledge in mathematics. Actually, we have so many phobias. Mathematics phobia is one of them actually. The phobia of mathematics will start at the school level and continue. This is for some students, not all, not everybody, for some students. And continue, and due to some confusion state, they have some confusion state and questions. Why should we study this? In what way it is useful in our life? With these questions, they have some phobia, does not show interest. So, if you able to give a good training to the such people and make them interest towards the mathematics, suppose you educate them how mathematics is useful in regular life. Suppose in such a way you train that people, definitely they come back and become experts in mathematics.